Good morning, children. Today I am going to show you how to do watercolors. Earlier I have showed you soft pastels, oil pastels. Now I am going to show how to do watercolors. So these are the watercolors. The colors come in bottles. They are not watercolors. Watercolors are always coming in small cakes, whether they are round or any other shape, but they are coming in small shapes because these colors are not too much too much color is not used for coloring. We are using colored water. These colors flow on the paper. So now whatever the color we want to use, those colors we will get wet those colors. Here pink color is there, we don't have pink, we have to make pink. We have to use greens, yellow. So is it visible to you? I am getting with the colors which we want to use, or you can wet all the colors. And avoid fan when you people are using watercolors because what water is getting dry very soon. So now this we will do in red. These are in pink colors. These are different flowers. We will use different colors. Not a problem. Let's do it. First separate water in that leaf where you want to color. Do the coloring. Right? Not in the rest of the spaces. So here I have picked up little color. Now you see this will spread. Now I'll wash the brush, wipe it a little and spread the color wherever I want. The lighter spaces we are leaving white. This will be the dark place again, as this is turning here. This is the back side, not the back side, turning point of the leaf, of the petal. So see how fast these colors are used. We will do dark tones if we required. We can do afterwards. If we don't want to use water like this, we will use it like this. I am showing you another technique in this. But go according to the drawing. Now this was the lock here, but the leaf is going this side. So we'll fill this side. More lighter, then more water, but not brush should not be full of water, but it should not be dry also. Strokes should be visible here also. From the same space we'll go to another petal. These petals are getting mixed, but here we will leave now little white to separate the petals. this portion dark. Don't leave anything incomplete. One stroke will mix with another stroke, but wisely. When you will understand these things, you will understand the coloring. We have to use our wit for coloring. See, I am picking up the same color which I have applied and filling the petal. Now I will go to, this will be green. Go to this portion. This will be little more darker, as this is the inner part of the flower also. I am not drawing because I want to save time. But without drawing, no coloring is perfect. If your drawing is weak, your strong coloring cannot hide your drawing. Strong coloring cannot hide your drawing, right? So you have to practice a lot for your drawing also. And take a nice brush. Beginners need nicer things. Experts can use bad things also, spoiled brushes also, but beginners need better things. So here again, wherever we have to show darkness, there the color should be, that thing should be full of color. But where we want to show light, there we can leave color. So always come from the dark to the light. If we have to use lighter colors doing shading, here we have used one color only. But where we have to use shading, as I'm going to show you in greens. Now the flower is ready. We will do greens. First we will do these greens lower, not this one. Let the water dry up there. Now first I'll use yellow. Wherever I want to do yellow, or you can fill all with yellow, because yellow will be covered. Yellow can be covered. Right. Now we'll go to lighter green. You can see I'm mixing the color. Can you see that? I'll keep it here. Though it should not be kept on the book. It should be kept on the newspaper. I'm not going to give it much dark color. I mix the yellow and green in the brush only. Now my yellow is becoming dirtier. Now the water is dried up. It won't go into the bud petals. So let's use little deficiency of water and brush stops working. That you can observe. So never let the lesser water in your brush if you want to apply color. So here the lower part of the flower is ready. Now we will do the stem. Want to do brown? Let's start with green. Sorry, yellow. पता भी नहीं चलता क्या बोल जाती हूँ. So you can see watercolors are faster. All the drawings in your history book, English books or maths, all the drawings are done with watercolors only, because these are very fast but little difficult to handle. If you learn how to handle these, you will learn how to how to use the color, right? So here watercolors are done. Next time I'll try, which colors should I try, poster or acrylics? Let us see. Practice this. Thank you.